If your Honda Accord backup camera looks more like a blank screen, you're in the right place. Let's troubleshoot. Alright, let's dive into some common issues and simple fixes. First, check your camera lens. Is it clean? Dirt and grime can blur your view. Give it a good wipe with a soft cloth. Next, inspect the wiring. Pop the trunk and look for any loose or damaged cables. Securing or replacing these might solve the problem. Still no luck? It might be a software glitch. Turn your car off, wait a few minutes, then restart. Sometimes, a simple reboot can work wonders. If the camera's still not working, it might be time to check the fuses. Look in your owner's manual to find the backup camera fuse and see if it needs replacing. Finally, if none of these steps fix it, consider visiting your local Honda dealer. They can diagnose and fix more complex issues. So there you have it. Clean the lens, check the wiring, reboot the system, and inspect the fuses. Simple steps that can save you a trip to the mechanic. Thanks for watching and happy driving.